Hi there everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video guys, we will create a simple payroll program using bash or born again shell. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching and supporting in my channel. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. So we have here the shebang. In this line of code, we prompt the employee details, employee's name, number of days work, and rate per day. Now, for the calculation, we have here a very simple formula. Again, this program will only accept whole numbers. So, for example, rate per day will be 150.75. It will not whole number only like 200, 250, etc. So we have here salary equals dollar, open and close parentheses, days underscore work, multiply by rate underscore pair underscore day, closed. And then we display the name of the employee and then the salary. Very simple program in bash. Let us save, Control O, Control X. So bash space payroll to execute our program. Enter employee's name, let's say Jacob Samuel Pomperada, the name of my son. Enter days of work, 15 days. Rate per day, let's say 500 pesos per day. Enter employee name, Jacob Samuel Pomperada. Salary is 7,500 for 15 days of work with the rate of 500 pesos per day. Okay guys, so this is the end of our tutorial video on how to write a payroll program, a very simple payroll program using bash or born again shell. By the way, I'm using Cygwin. You can use Ubuntu Linux or in Unix operating system, and my text editor is Nano. Thank you so much for listening and watching my videos. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.